In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your space name, description, and guidelines. Whether you're rebranding, clarifying your purpose, or tightening up community standards, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to update the key details for your space. By the end, you'll know where to go, what each field is for, and how to save your changes with confidence. First, open a space. Start from your main dashboard or homepage and navigate to the space you want to update. Make sure you have the right permissions to edit it. If you can view the space but don't see editing options later, you may need an admin role. It's a good idea to double-check you're in the correct space before making changes, especially if you manage more than one. Once the space is open, look toward the top of the page for the space name. It usually appears in the header area and is easy to spot. Click the space name. This action opens up options tied directly to the space you're viewing and is the quickest route to its settings. Next, click Space Details. This is the section where the key information about your space lives. If you don't see it right away, it's often in a menu or a tab near the top. Selecting Space Details brings up editable fields where you can refine how your space is presented to members and visitors. Now it's time to edit 3 fields: Name, Description, and Guidelines. For the name, keep it short, clear, and recognizable. Avoid jargon or internal codes. Choose something that instantly tells people what the space is about. For the description, aim for a concise summary that explains the space's purpose, who it's for, and what kind of content or interactions are expected. If your space serves a specific project or team, mention that to set the right context. For the guidelines, write practical, respectful rules that help everyone understand what's encouraged and what isn't. Keep them action-oriented and easy to follow, and avoid including any sensitive or personal information. If your guidelines have changed significantly, consider noting the date within the text so members know they're up to date. When you're satisfied with your edits, click Save. Give it a moment to process, and then glance back at the space header and details to confirm everything looks correct. If something doesn't read the way you intended, you can return to Space Details and adjust it. That's it. You've opened your space, accessed Space Details, updated the name, description, and guidelines, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.